We're gonna make an epic chicken pesto pasta in the skillet, all of it, so you can have a meal on the table real quick. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I share a lot of these recipes, so if that's your jam, subscribe for more. I'm using a large skillet with sides, so I can cook all of it, even the pasta, in it. I'm heating it up, and I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil there because we're gonna first saute our onions. And I'm gonna saute these for about 3 minutes until they're nice and soft. And then I'm gonna add my garlic. I'm gonna grate it right in there. You can finally chop it and saute it for about 30 seconds until it's nice and fragrant. Now, while these are sauteing, I also have 2 chicken breasts here that I want to slice into small cubes. That way they cook with the pasta. So the easy way is to make vertical strips and then small cubes about 1 inch, not much bigger, because these are going to cook with the pasta in the skillet. While you're cutting, give this a stir. Obviously, you could have all of this done beforehand and it goes by real quick. And now these are cubed. I'm going to add them to my skillet because we're just going to lightly brown the edges. These are going to sear for about 3 to 5 minutes, not longer. You're not going to cook it through, just enough to seal our chicken juices in. Now, don't worry if the chicken seems to stick when you give it a stir. These little tidbits in the pan are going to add so much flavor in just a minute. As you can see, most of the chicken has been seared. It looks kind of white and tight. Some of it hasn't. That's okay. No problem. We're gonna take our chicken broth and I'm gonna pour it in my pan. Look at that. It's going to steam and simmer and it's going to lift all of those tidbits. I'm also gonna add my cream, or half and half. I'm going to mix it and I'm gonna wait until it boils, and then I'm gonna add my pasta in. Now that it's simmering, I'm going to add my pasta in the pan. We're gonna mix the pasta in. It's gonna cook in this liquid. And before I cover it, I wanna make sure that it is back to a rolling boil. And now that it's boiling again, it's when I can put the lid on and cover it and reduce the heat to medium-low. We're gonna cook this for about 15 minutes until the pasta is nice and tender. All right, guys, it's been 15 minutes. Let's check on this penne pasta. Oh, I can see that it's already absorbed a lot of the liquid. Let me give this a stir. All right, and then let's grab a penne. It's nice and soft. So now one of the final steps is to add your pesto sauce directly in here. It can be homemade or store-bought. We are going to mix this in. I want this to be nice and saucy. And now I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese right over the top. I'm gonna put on the lid and turn off the heat. I'm gonna let this sit for about 2 minutes while I go gather my bowls, and then we serve it. This looks delicious. Let me grab some in a little bowl. I just love how I get pesto inside of the nooks and crannies of penne pasta. Super flavorful, and in less than 30 minutes, grab the recipe, the measurements, and everything you need right below this video. See you next time.